This is an additional video demonstrating CaptureBites MetaServer and its access to Gmail through Oauth20. More specifically, a video demonstrating why it needs the delete permanently scope. So let's go through the process. First of all, let's connect to the Gmail account. We select Gmail. We click on the sign in with Google. You can see the client ID here in the URL. Select the account we want to connect with. Still have the warning screen as long as it's not certified. And here we see explicitly the question to have access to delete. So we continue, and now we have access to the client with the full scope. Let's have a look how we need that full scope. We have a correct connection. We can test that here. 0 messages in the inbox of the connected account that you can see here. Well, one of the options is that when you process, reject, or delete an email, that you keep it in the inbox, move it to a folder in the Gmail account, or delete the message permanently. And that's what we're going to demonstrate now. We will select that we delete messages that we fully processed with our MetaServer. We press OK. We publish the changes. Wait for a few seconds to publish those changes, and then we'll start sending an email and see what happens with the email once it arrives in the inbox of the watched email accounts. Okay, there we have it. So let's go back to Gmail. We are going to send now from another account, the capbites@gmail.com account, a message to the invoice account. So we're going to compose a message to our watched Gmail account, and the subject is your February invoice. We attach the invoice. I think I put that in downloads, invoices. There we have it. Open. Voila. We send it to the special account, and we'll see that arriving any moment now. This is another Gmail window of the receiving account, and before we know, we will see the message appearing. There it is, CapBites demo with the invoice. For the moment, it's still unread, but as soon as MetaServer detects it, it will become read, so import it. So we can refresh that, and you'll see that it already happened. Here we already have one document being imported, and it's already in validation. As we demonstrated in our other video, we extracted key data from the attachment, from the invoice, like the invoice number, the invoice date, the total amounts. Press OK. And now the document is completely processed and saved in a folder, but it can be saved in any system of choice. So what happens to the message? Let's see. As soon as it's completely processed, the message will be deleted, because that's what we indicate in our setup. Permanently delete the message from the inbox as soon as it's processed. And there it is. It's gone. It's not in the processed folder. It's not in the deleted items folder. It's really gone from Gmail. Some customers prefer to remove the message completely from their Gmail account once it's completely processed. And that's why we need the delete item scope in our request.